Hi, good friends, welcome back. Let's get this simultaneous equation resolved. Okay, what we have here is x plus y equals 3, x minus y equals 5. Okay, we have to get this resolved simultaneously to solve them together. Okay, simultaneous means doing two things together. So we call this equation 1, of course, and this is equation 2. Okay. And to get this result, we are going to use what is called the substitution method. We have three methods we can simplify, or four actually. We can simplify this. We have the substitution method, we have the elimination method, we have graphical method. Okay? So these are three major ways we can simplify simultaneous equation. And to get this result, we're going to use substitution method. And going by that, we're going to use equation 1 from equation 1. Equation 1, we have our x plus y equals 3. So this, and then we're going to make x the subject of the formula. So we have our x to be 3 minus y. Okay, so 3 minus y, we can call this equation what? 3. Right? So now we have gotten x to be 3 minus y. From equation 2, now we're going to substitute for x. Anyway, we see x, we put 3 minus y. So from there now, we have this x minus y equals 5. And we have gotten x to be 3 minus y. So here now we have 3 minus y. Okay? Then we put this minus y equals 5. So what we have here becomes 3 minus 2y equals 5. Minus y will give us minus 2y. So we collect like terms. This one comes this way. We have a negative 2y equals 5 minus 3. And negative 2y now becomes 2. Divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is of course negative 2, negative 2, negative 2. This and this we go, this and this we go. We have our y to be negative 1. Negative 2 here is 1. Negative 2 here is negative 1. And 1 over 1 is 1. So the value of y in this is negative 1. Alright? So we, from equation 1, we get the value of x. So we have our x plus y equals 3. When y is negative 1, when y equals negative 1. So anyway we see y, we substitute it using negative 1. So what we have now becomes x plus negative 1 equals 3. And of course, negative, positive will give us negative. So what we have is x minus 1 equals 3. And then we correct like terms. This moves to this place. So this one to this place. So what we have is x equal to 3. When negative is crossing equal sign, it changes to positive 1. So our x is equal to 4. So it means in this particular equation, the values that we satisfy x and y in these equations are x is equal to 4 and y is equal to negative 1. Negative 1. And this is how it is simplified, friends. Thanks for watching Logic Basic Mathematics. Please always like, share, and also comment. Thanks and bye.